Welcome back to Papis Premier Homes. Winter is slowly creeping in, and while some of us are excited about snow, others might be dreading those colder days. But don't worry, I'm here to bring some warmer news about the GTA real estate market. November brought a strong surge into home sales across the GTA. Sales were up a remarkable 40.1% compared to the same time last year, with 5,875 homes sold in November. That's a huge jump from the 4,194 sales reported in November 2023. So what's driving this growth? Lower borrowing costs have made the market more affordable for many buyers. It's not just about the sales, the number of new listings has also increased, though at a more modest pace, contributing to tighter market conditions. This tightening has led to a growth in the average selling price. In November, the average price rose 2.6% year over year to $1,106,050. Looking at inventory, active listings on the MLS system were up 30.2% year over year, totaling 21,818. Sales were also up month over month compared to October, indicating strong momentum as we head toward the new year. Now let's dive in a bit deeper into what's happening across property types. According to Jason Mercer, Chief Market Analyst for TREB, while the average selling price on a seasonally adjusted basis dipped slightly compared to October, certain markets are seeing stronger growth. For example, detached homes in Toronto experienced price growth above the rate of inflation, showing strong demand in this segment. On the other hand, the condominium market is still seeing lower average selling prices compared to a year ago. If you're a condo buyer, there is some good news. You've got options. Ample inventory in the condo market is giving buyers more negotiating power. This trend could attract renters to make the leap into home ownership, especially as borrowing costs continue to drop in the coming months. With these trends and momentum we're seeing, 2025 is shaping up to be a year of accelerating market recovery. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or just curious about how these trends might affect you, let's connect. Drop your questions in the comments or reach out directly. I'd love to help you navigate your next move. Thanks for watching and stay warm out there. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more real estate updates. See you in the next video.